Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to fix too many login attempts on Swiggy. If you're having that issue, here are some of the options you could take in order to fix it. You can go over to settings, then under settings you can choose general, select iPhone storage, then you want to scroll down and locate the Swiggy app. Now once you locate the Swiggy app, you can tap on it and then tap on offload app. It says offloading Swiggy will delete the app but keep its documents and data. Tap on offload app, then you could reinstall the app. After reinstalling the app, you can go over to the Swiggy app and try to log in once again. Another option is to go to your settings, then you can switch from your mobile service to your Wi-Fi or vice versa, because sometimes your network might be having a firewall that may be blocking the login attempt. So if you're using mobile data, you want to try to use a Wi-Fi. If you're using a Wi-Fi, go ahead and try to use your mobile service, and this can be done by coming over to settings and switching off the Wi-Fi if you're using Wi-Fi, or switching off your mobile service if that's what you're using, and then try to see if this will work with your Swiggy. If this doesn't work, you could try to restart your mobile device and try to load the app once again. In some cases, you might need to go over to the App Store, search for the Swiggy app, and then check if it needs an update. If none of these options works, you'll need to wait for 90 days to elapse and then try to log into your Swiggy once again. So these are the options to try out if you'd like to fix the too many login attempts on Swiggy.